Hi, and welcome back to Hook Eat Up. Today we're going to be diving into one of my other passions, drinking. In addition to preparing meals, I'm going to be showing you how to make delicious cocktails. For today's cocktail, we're going to be making one of my favorites, Guava Martinis. For a Guava Martini, you're going to need vodka, a cocktail shaker and strainer, guava juice, I'm using Goya guava juice, a star fruit, half a lime, and simple syrup. In this recipe, I'm using brown sugar, but you can use white sugar if you'd like. Now to get started with this recipe, I'm going to grab a bowl of ice and put a martini glass to chill. Now what you're going to want to do is load up your cocktail shaker with ice. You're going to add 1.5 ounce of vodka, two ounces of guava juice. You're going to add half a lime juice directly into the shaker. Now you don't want to use any of that pre-made or store-bought lime juice. The flavor just isn't right. You want to use fresh lime juice whenever you can. 1 tablespoon of simple syrup. When you have all your ingredients in your cocktail shaker, you're going to want to shake it vigorously for about 15 seconds. Next thing that you want to do is you want to grab your star fruit with a sharp knife and cut a thin slice for garnishing. See that? See how pretty that is? Cool. If you want to chill your martini glass, you can either put it in the freezer or add ice to the cup to keep the glass nice and cold. The reason for that is that you don't want your cocktail to warm up too much as you pour it in. You're going to toss the ice and strain your martini directly into the glass. To finish this off, you're going to want to top it with a star fruit. Right on the edge there. And there you have it, a Guava Martini. Be sure to subscribe and comment in the section below so I know what you think about these cocktails. I'll also be doing wine and spirit reviews as well as suggested pairings for the dishes that we make. Thank you for joining us at Hook Eat Up. I'm going to enjoy this drink now.